Hello students. So in today's class we are going to study about the lesson honey, sweet honey. So before that we have to know about the behavior of animals, how they live, how they love to each other, how they taking care of each other. These are all we learned in this chapter. First, at your home you eat something, a sweet food, and suddenly you fell a sweet pieces on the ground. That time, the line by line, the aunt will come and carry out collecting that sweet. Isn't it? You ever seen that at your home? Yes, that is the behavior of the aunt. Here, the aunt come line by line and collecting the sweet. Also, they gather around the sweet. Isn't it? Yes, here we understand that how unitedly the ants are carrying their food. How unitedly they are carrying their foods. Isn't it? Here the ants lives together. Here ants lives together. And then at your home you have a cat. You have a cat. Yes. And cat have kittens. Cat have kittens. Kittens means the babies of cat is called kittens. So you might have been seen that your cat always licking on the kitten. Always licking on the kitten. Licking means the cat doing something by their tongue. Doing something by their tongue. This is called licking. The always cat licking on their kittens with very much love. With very much love. Here the cat also loves their kittens. Isn't it? We also love our children. Yes or no? Yes. The cat also loves their kittens. And then hens. Hens teaching to their chicks. Hens teaching to their chicks. Chicks means the babies of hens. It is called chicks. The hens always teaching to their chicks how to collecting the food, how to eat food, and how to search the food. These are all teaching teachers to their chicks. We also teaching to our children. Isn't it? We also teach us our children. And the same thing, hens also teaches their chicks. Understood? Yes. And then birds. In the sky, the birds flying are together. The birds always flying together. Isn't it? Yes. We also lives together. The human beings also lives together. The birds also living together. Then monkey. Monkey loves very much their babies. Understand? Yes. The mother monkey always hold their baby monkey. The baby monkey also holding to their mother belly. The baby monkey also holding their mother's belly. Isn't it? Yes, human beings also loves their children. Here monkey also loves their babies. Yes or no? Yes. The animals also loves each other and lives together and taking care of each other what we like us. Isn't it? Yes? Understood? Yes. So then, honey, sweet honey. Students, do you ever taste that honey? Is it sweet or bitter? Bitter? No. It is very taste and very sweet. So, Where did we get honey? We get honey from honey bees and from honeycomb or beehive, isn't it? Yes. So how did they produce the honeybees? How did they produce honey? So honeybees have a big family. Honeybees have a big family. It means in beehive there is more than 1,000 honeybees are lives together. More than 1,000 honeybees are lives together, and they honeybees sucks the nectar from the flower. Honeybee sucks the nectar. Nectar means a one sweet content hide in the flower, that is called nectar. The honeybees sucks the nectar, collect the nectar from the flower and stored in a beehive. Stored in a beehive. So in beehive there is a more than 1,000 honeybees there. Those honeybees are workers. Those honeybees are worker. There is one queen bee is there. One queen bee is there. The queen bee is doing only laying eggs. Doing only laying eggs. And all the workers, all the honeybees are collecting the food, building the beehive and looking the queen bees. Isn't it? Yes. So here, how they build the beehive? The honeybees have one sticky materials. Honeybees have a sticky materials that is called wax. From the wax, they build the beehive. From the wax, they build the beehive. So the nectar they stored in a beehive and they eat it when they need it. The nectar is the food of honeybees. They eat it when it is needed, then they eat it. That nectar is converted to honey. What we taste that is a honey, it is really, this is nectar. The honeybees are stuck from the flowers, it is converted to honey, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So here the honey have a medicinal quality. Why we eat honey? Why did we eat honey? Because honey have medicinal qualities. Isn't it? Yes. So here this honeybees have a different sizes. It may be small, it may be big. They do not have same sizes. And the same thing, beehive also do not have a same sizes. It may be bigger or it may be small. So where did we see that beehive? In top of the terrace, in top of the building, in top of the tree, that we can see the beehive, isn't it? Yes. Then how did they rear the honeybees? Rear means taking care of the animals. So here some people are going to forest and putting some fire under the beehive, and the honeybees are all are going, then they collecting the honey. These are one thing. But some people are rearing the honeybees. How? They rearing the animals by rear the honeybees and by in wooden box and stored in a wooden box and kept in the garden. Stored in a wooden box and kept in the garden. If in case they kept in the home, it is very dangerous, you know. Yes, they kept in the garden and then they will get the honey. Then we have a lot of honey at our home by this. Understood? Yes. So here, what are the uses of beehive? What are the uses of beehive? collecting the honey, and then there will be some uses are there. That is, from the beehive they make some ointment, they make candle, they make powder, they make ink. These are all uses of beehive. So finally, some people are told to us, don't use that honey. That honey is, it is not a pure honey. And some people are told that same thing. So how we find out that whether the honey is pure or not pure or not? Yes, there is a one simple tricks there. You for example, you take one glass and put some water. So in that add some 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. You add 2 or 3 drops honey into the water, and if honey mixes with the water very fastly, it is not a pure honey. It is mixes with water very slowly, it is a pure honey. Understood? Yes, students, in today's class we are learned about the behavior of animals, how they live, how they loves each other, and how they taking care of each other, and then the process of collecting the honey and its uses. Thank you.